Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. First let me show you the accuracy of this indicator. Go to the strategy, 100% accuracy out of 37 in the gold. But I will show you a very comfortable results here. Like here, 10th September you got the signal, and the today is date is 11th September. In the whole day it will give you one signal, okay, and the accuracy you can see. Okay, and it will show, I'll let me show you the results of this trade here. If you go to the count history, and this was the most recent signal here, you can see this was the today date 11/9/11/9/11/9, and this was the signal, and I booked the profit. Let me show you the uncheck this one now. The second indicator here, you can see I open my trade here. I've got the signal here, but I opened my trade here when the RSI come upside from there, when need to close your trade here, and same I think repeat here. Okay, and here I open my second trade because the RSI is going upside from the upper land line. So I open my trade early, but you can see this is my open trade here. Okay, and I will show you the results of this trade as well. And I have need to take profit here when the 3618. I have need to take profit here 3618. Okay, and you can see 36. Okay, here you can see I have need to take profit here. Okay, and let me show you here. Go to the strategy here, you can see open your buy trade. Okay, let me show you something here. Open your buy position, take profit 1. Open your one more position, take profit 2 here. Okay, and open your one more position, and so on. Okay, let me show you the sell trade here. You open your sell trade first, need to take profit when the candle touch to the lower band line. The second trade when the RSI come upside from the upper band line and the candle close below from the RSI. So this is your second trade. Okay, and you can see, okay, there is one more trade here, and you can see the results. There is one more trade here, and you can see. Okay, so in this way you get a lot of profit, consistent profit and small profit. If you will only follow this one, let me show you here. This was the signal here, and if you go to the just need to create an alert. Okay, just create an alert. Okay, and money mind this indicator name. I create alert on gold and money mind send and the BTC. Okay, just need to create the alert, and the alerts will be in your mobile. Then you when you got the alert, you can open your trades. Okay, if you go to the BTC time frame, BTC, let me show you the results in the BTC. 100% accuracy, but a very small, very you can say very few signal. Like here you do not need to open your buy position, you need to open your buy position from this point. Okay, open your buy position one from this point. If you will follow this one, then you need to take profit here, take profit 2 here, and so on. Okay, you got the sell signal. After getting the sell signal, you can open your sell position from this point. Okay, and you can see the result. This is one more position, and you can see, and here you can see almost $6 and $7 profit. Market is 36.25. So I can book my small profit again here. You can see I can open I can close my trade here again, and you can see in this way you will get lot of profit. Let me show you the results in the gold here. If you will go see the results in the gold. Okay, no, I opened my trade too early. Sorry, I need to close my trade here. 3618. Okay, but I closed my trade too early, or that was, but that's okay. If the market goes upside, I will open my trade one more time. Okay, here you can see in this way you get a lot of profit, consistent profit. And you can see after getting the sell buy signal, you can see the market going upside. After getting the sell signal, you can see the market in the gold is going downside. Okay, so that is the main thing here. If you go to the strategy from 21 July to 11th September, you got 37 trades. If you want to see the results in the BTC, okay, in the BTC you got 65 trades and 100% accuracy, okay, and you can see the results here. I do not need to explain anything, because here you can see after getting the sell signal in the BTC, you can see after getting the sell signal you can open your sell position from this point, okay, and you can open your sell position one more time here, or you can open your sell position at this point, okay. It will give you, now you can see the results in now in some good profit, okay. If you want to see the results in the 15-minute time frame in the gold, oh sorry, BTC, here that was your buy position according to 15-minute time frame, that is your buy position, okay, according to the 15-minute time frame. If you go to the strategy, 150 trades from 1 May to 11 September, okay, you got 150 trades, out of which all the trades are successful. And let me show you the results in the 15-minute time frame. Here you can see this was the sell signal, but just like I mentioned, you need to open your sell position from this point. After getting the sell signal, you need to open your sell position from this point, okay. If you will go to the buy position, let me show you here. Here that one actually a good one, because it's very close to the lower band line, and the signal is upside from the RSI is the green one also. So you can open your sell position, buy position, you can open your one more position from this point, okay, and you can see the results here, okay. If you will go to the previous sell signal, let me show you here, okay, let me show you here this one, that was good signal here, okay. Hull suit and the RSI both one red, and you can open your sell position, you can open your one more position here, you can open your one more position, take profit if you want to take small profit, okay. But this is your perfectly trade, and you can see the results here, okay. So in this way you will get a lot of profit, consistent profit, if you will follow only simple yoga money mind indicator, okay. It's giving you accuracy, I do not need to explain that thing, okay. That is the very good effort from my partner, and Mohammad Tahir. His YouTube channel name is money mindset 786, okay. And if you need you can contact him also, but if you need indicators, want to buy this indicator from me, then you can also contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, and write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simpleyoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail, okay. I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this video as usual, okay. Any query, any question, you can ask me, and for the next video, bye bye, take care.